Happy Chinese New Year! Of course, we have to eat shrimp in the new year. In Cantonese, shrimp and ha have the same pronunciation. Eating shrimp during the new year symbolizes that, in the coming year, you can laugh, live happily, every day, and have joy year after year. Therefore, shrimp is definitely an indispensable auspicious dish during the Spring Festival. And regardless of race, seafood is the favorite of most people. The meaning of tofu is blessing and health. Tofu is homophonic to defu and defu. It is an expression of the working people's prayers for good fortune, good health, and a happy and prosperous life in the coming year. Save this recipe now so you may refer back anytime in the future. Shrimp, egg tofu, carrot, mixed beans, spring onion and coriander, chopped spring onion and coriander. Carve and sliced carrot. Cubes egg tofu. Shrimp remove shell and shrimp intestine. Prepare sauce with oyster sauce, light soy sauce, and sugar to taste. 1 tablespoon hot water and stir well. Add cooking oil, spring onion white, fried, shallot and chopped garlic into grill pan. First put carrot slices on the plate, then put a layer of egg tofu, then put shrimps and mixed beans in the middle of the shrimps. Steam at high flame for 5 minutes. Steamed egg tofu with shrimps looks so yummy. Drizzle seasoning sauce. Air fryer shallots and garlic smell so good. Drizzle it on shrimps. Delicious steamed egg tofu with shrimp is done. So beautiful. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Do share out this delicious recipe with friends and family, yeah. Don't forget to follow my channel so you can refer the recipes anytime you like in the future. YouTube, friends who like cooking may consider following my YouTube channel for more delicious recipes. If you can, please give me a like, which is the greatest encouragement to me. Thank you all. YouTube. There are 2,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, ya. Japanese tofu is also called egg tofu, tamagoyaki tofu, and tamagoyaki, and its texture is similar to tofu. It uses eggs as the main raw material, supplemented by pure water, plant protein, natural seasonings, etc., and is refined through a scientific formula. It has the smoothness and tenderness of tofu and the delicious fragrance of eggs. It is high quality, delicious, nutritious, healthy, and convenience and value for money. Enjoy a strong reputation among consumers. Shrimp tastes fresh and tender and is rich in nutrients. Although there are no strict consumption regulations, in order to avoid causing indigestion, allergies, and other uncomfortable reactions, it is not advisable to eat too much. It is generally recommended to eat about 200 grams at a time. Elderly people with weak digestive functions or children should reduce their consumption. There are more delicious CNY recipes in my channel. Do check them all. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, ya.